Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how I make my coleslaw salad. This is a very simple recipe. But before we get started, let me introduce you to the ingredients. So here we have our cabbage, carrots, and onions. Next, I'm done with the peeling, cutting, and washing of the cabbage, carrots, and onions off camera. I'm going ahead now to grate my cabbage. Once I'm done grating it, I will set it aside. But if you don't want to grate yours, you can use your kitchen knife to slice it into tiny parts or to your desired size. So here, once I'm done, I will set it aside. I will go ahead and start grating my carrots. Please, if this is your first time of stopping by, a very big welcome to you. Please don't forget to follow this page, like, share, and comment to be notified whenever I upload a new video. To my returning subscribers, a very big thank you. So, next, I will start by chopping my onions into tiny parts. Once I'm done with that, I will add them into a bowl and set them aside. For the dressing, we are going to be needing our Greek yogurt, mustard paste, mayonnaise, honey. Here we have our black pepper, apple vinegar. Here we have olive oil, and we have Dill spice. We have our salt. So in a bowl, in a separate bowl, going to be adding in the mayo, yogurt, mustard paste, olive oil. So we're going ahead to mix everything together until they are well combined. So here we are almost done with the mixing of the cream. Once that is done, I will set it aside. Now it's time to mix the salad. I started by adding in the salad cream into the cabbage. Once I'm done mixing everything together, I will wrap it or you cover it with any available thing. Once done, I place it into my fridge for at least 30 minutes. Exactly 30 minutes now. So I went ahead and take off the wrap and give it a stir. It is ready to be served, and it is best served chilled. So you can enjoy this salad with your Nigeria jollof rice or your white rice, or can be eaten this way. Guys, this salad tasted so super delicious and yummylicious. Hope you'll be trying out this recipe. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to follow this page, like, share, and comment. See you soon on my next video. Bye.